the base, I guess, of the build. I'm using this guy here, this 55 Chevy. I can't imagine a more perfect base for the build. But welcome back to the Workbench and this week's channel update. And I just want to start by saying next week, the schedule stays the same. Nothing changes with the schedule. We're still working on all the same projects. So look forward to the Chevelle on Monday, the F100 on Tuesday, the Celebration build on Wednesday, and the Thunderbird on Thursday. And then, of course, we'll be right back here on Friday for another channel update. And for today's update, I wanted to start with something that was working, or I've been working on in the background. And now I think I can fully talk about it because it's finished, it's sent on its way. And what was sent on its way was a video, what they're calling a Masterclass video for Starbond CA Glue's YouTube channel. So I put one together, or they asked me to put one together for Accelerator. So showing you how using Accelerator can increase alignment, accuracy, outcomes, timings, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I did. I'd been in the background working on a Masterclass for them that they now possess and own. But in the build, we built this, which is not even completely glued together because I just made it for, to film a video with. But this was the, and I need to go ahead and just finish gluing this together probably. I probably should use some Starbond CA glue and glue the body on. But this is what we did for or at least what we did for the Masterclass video. And I just wanted to kind of show it because it was, I built it here on the Workbench, so I wanted to make sure you guys get to see it. I just wasn't really allowed to talk about it too much until it was finished. So here we go. Here's what we built on the bench for that video. And I would like to suggest head on over to their YouTube channel. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description. If not, it's just Starbond. I think it's Starbond Adhesives is the name of the channel. Head on over there. It's not up yet. I will, of course, let you guys know when they post that video so you guys can go over and just kind of bomb it with likes and all that kind of stuff. But it's not up yet, so just go check out the channel if you would. It's a lot of good stuff there. And if you'd like to get a 10% discount on some really good CA glue, down in the description, there's a link there for you, a link of mine and a code and a discount code for 10% off. So check that out. The other thing I wanted to talk about or give an update on is there is going to be a little something extra, I guess, added to the schedule. Something else that's going on in the background that I can talk about because this is for me, and actually it's not for me, it's for Matt Young. So as you remember, I decided to go ahead and do all 4 of the Celebration builds. Obviously Mars Garage won the vote, but then I'm like, man, I just like them all. I'm going to do them all. And I wanted to do Matt Young's, which is a Weird-Ohs inspired 250 celebration, 200, let's call it the 250 celebration build. So celebrating the 250th birthday of the United States of America in a Weird-Ohs style. And I'm going to be doing that basically in the background. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing here in just a second. But my plan is to release, I guess we'll call it like a film on it on July 4th of the build. So the build will do a one-off video, a more edited video. It won't be this style, it'll be an actual edited video of the final build. And let me show you, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're gonna be doing. So for the vehicle, or for the base, I guess, of the build, I'm using this guy here, this 55 Chevy. I can't imagine a more perfect base for the build. But this obviously it's got all the American stuff going on. It's a gasser. It's got all the cool stuff going on, right? But it's not quite Weird-Ohs yet. So for the Weird-Ohs over on Meshy, I've been working on, I guess we'll say the Weird-Oh. I hate to call Uncle Sam a weirdo, but I've been working on the Weird-Oh that is going to be going in the vehicle. When I say in the vehicle, I mean ripping through the roof of the vehicle and sticking out the roof of the vehicle. And meshing those two together to make a Weird-Oh style 250 anniversary celebration build for Matt Young. So again, this was Matt Young's idea. So this will be his build once it's finished. We'll be getting it out to him. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think we're going to do up the vehicle. We're going to do up Uncle Sam. I've got to get at it because I want the fully edited video to be out on the 4th. It's the middle of June, so I've already got some work done on it in the background. I think I might release a lot of this because I need to do this anyways. I've not been putting out shorts like I should be, so I think I'll do a lot of some footage for shorts, YouTube shorts. So if you check the YouTube short tab, you'll get to see probably this being built. Now the final long form video will come just right here on the channel, and I'm excited about this. I'm really I'm really excited about doing this. I think it's gonna be pretty fun and pretty cool. But anyways, let me know what you think about that down in the comment section. And Matt Young, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I like to hear what you have to say. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I do want to, I guess, a couple reminders. I do have decals. I do have decals here. If you want your decals and you haven't gotten any yet, just hit me up at the email down in the description. I'll be happy. I've been sending out a couple. If you request them, I'll send you a couple of them out to you in a stamped envelope. So I've got that. I keep forgetting to mention also two things. One, down in the links, I've got an Amazon store that I'm still, maybe I've mentioned this, but I'm gonna mention it again if I haven't. But I've got an Amazon store down there because I've had people ask me things like, what do you use to make your videos? How do you make your videos? That kind of stuff. So I've got a store that not only has this, I'm trying to put all the stuff that we build on the channel. So all the kits and all that stuff will be in that store, but also all the stuff that I use. So everything from the cameras to the software. I'm gonna try to get all the tools and things like that in the Amazon store. So if you see something that we're using here on the channel and you want to check it out, check that Amazon store. And the other that I don't think I've mentioned yet is that I have a merch store I'm putting together. Actually, I've had a Teespring store forever, from way back, and which is now just called Spring. It's not called Teespring anymore. I've had the store forever, so I'm trying to get it back up and running, and adding some merch for the channel if that's something you're interested in, from decals and t-shirts and that kind of stuff. If that's a way you'd like to try to support the channel, and I'm working on trying to get. I know I can do the shelf below. I'm technically ignorant. I'm trying to figure out how to make all this work, but it should, at some point, there should be a shelf below these videos where you can actually see the stuff, the merch. Or I have a link down in the description also that'll take you straight to the store, so you can check it out that way if that's something you're interested in, a way you'd like to try to support the channel. Other ways you can support the channel, of course, is by joining down below. You can become a channel member. I appreciate all my, but also there's a link to a Patreon page, and I thank you so much. I don't say this enough. Thank you to my Patreons and channel members, y'all. The giveaways that I'm doing right now, that's how that's how I'm able to pay for these things, right? I mean, I had to go, I'm having to buy models, I'm having to buy a subscription to Meshy, all that. It's you guys that make that possible to even do the giveaways or to even really make this channel possible. I mean, this channel is obviously a net zero, which is fine. That's kind of what it needs to be. But my financial department won't let this happen if it starts becoming a net negative. So it's you guys that keep this going and allow me to be able to do these 4 builds and then send them out to you and, do all the stuff that we do on this channel. So if you'd like to support in that way, long story short, hit that join button down below. I'm going to be trying to get a lot more videos and exclusive videos and stuff up there coming. Once we make the move to the garage, it's going to be so much easier. The garage, we'll call it the garage studio or whatever you want to call that. It's going to be so much easier, and there's going to be a lot more coming at that point. I wish I had an update for you guys on the garage studio, but I don't. My daughter has been in inventor's camp, so I have been running around with that all week, and I've been having to build a front landscape to the house. So all my time that needs to be devoted to the garage studio, the financial department has had me working on the other side of the house, which is in the front yard. So I don't have an update yet, but I will have an update next week because we got to get at it. Because that baby ain't. It's the baby's coming, and it's on its own schedule. It's not on my schedule. So we got to get that set up so I can get out of this room so we have a nursery. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I've rambled long enough on this update. Again, if you'd like to help support the channel, check those links down below. Hit that join button, all that stuff. Leave me those comments. The best thing you can do to support this channel, leave a comment down there. The YouTubes love them. They love the comments. So make fun of the mullet. Do whatever you need to do down there. Just leave a comment. I really do appreciate it. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got a bunch of work to do over the weekend. So I will see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.